Hello guys, welcome back to the Chair Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix authentication token fail error on your mobile or PC on MIR4 and how you can fix this up. So the method is very simple. All you have to do is you should be having a VPN. Any free VPN is fine. So as you can see, I have on Avast. So here I have downloaded the .exe. So before getting to this, if you have already launched the game, which I suggest you should not be opening the game. If it happens, you just have to close this and you have to go to the VPN and you just have to go for install and you have to install the VPN. And once you're done with installing the VPN, you have to connect to any one of the countries, for example USA or something. So here the install option, so I have to go for it. And once it is done, you just have to wait for it. As you can see, it's getting installed. So once it's installed, you have to connect to any one of the countries, for example USA or Canada or Germany. Any one of is fine. And once it is done, you have to open the launcher once again. So as you can see, go for continue, get started. So you just have to turn this on. I'll go for start free trial. So it is getting trial version. So once you are done with this, as you can see, we are getting connected. So guys, now we are connected to Malaysia, and once it is done, you just have to go over here on the Steam and you just have to open the game, and most probably you will not be having any kind of issues. And this is how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.